The Right Honourable Prime Minister.
The contortions the leader of the official opposition goes through to try and talk about gun control are quite impressive, Mr. Speaker, but Canadians will not be fooled by him. The order in council that made assault-style weapons illegal to use, to purchase, or to share or sell is still in place. The Conservative Party of Canada has as its official position that it wants to restore the legality of assault-style weapons in this country.
The Honourable Leader of the Opposition.
Mr. Speaker, he stumbles and bumbles when he does not know what he's talking about, and he does not know what he's talking about because he does not care what he's talking about. He still has not banned those guns. Years after promising on the election trail that he did, they are still legally in the possession of their owners at this stage, and he says he won't be able to do it until a week after the next election. Meanwhile, he tried to publish 300 pages of hunting rifles that he wanted to ban, blaming First Nations hunters for crime in downtown Toronto. Why does he want to protect turkeys from hunters instead of Canadians from criminals?
The Right Honourable Prime Minister.
Mr. Speaker, as of a number of years ago, it is illegal to buy, sell, or use or bequeath military-style or assault-style weapons in this country. We did that. We banned over 1,600 models of assault-style weapons. The Conservative Party wants to make those assault-style weapons legal again. And everything they do is focused on misinformation and disinformation, of bringing in hunters who are not targeted by these measures to try and justify their anchoring on the NRA.
The Honourable Leader of the Opposition.
More stumbling and bumbling, Mr. Speaker. The guns he talked about are not banned. And he says they will not be banned until 1 week after the next election because he cannot figure out how to ban them, years after he announced it. Meanwhile, he's spending billions of dollars going after licensed, law-abiding, trained and tested people who've proven that they are statistically the least likely to commit crime. And what has been the consequence? In 8 years, we've had a 100% increase in criminal shootings. Why does he always go after the good guys instead of putting the bad guys in jail?